Do 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 do. Hey, welcome to Diva Butterfly. How you guys today? My hair is kind of messed up. Let me just fix that real quick. How you guys? You guys doing good? Well, before I start this video, I would like you to like and subscribe, okay? Subscribe down there and make sure you ring that bell so you know the next notification that I'm going to do for as of a new video. So today is very special to me. Today I joined a new business, independent business, and if you notice, I'm kind of matching today with this beautiful jewelry right here and the ring to go with it and the earrings. So there's your hint. I am now gonna be selling jewelry. Woohoo! And it's gonna be with who know this people. Let me see. It's pretty big. So I'm gonna show you this way of who it is. Whoa, uh-oh. Wait a minute. Mess up everything. Here it is. This is who I'm with. Paparazzi. Yay! I'm so excited. I got my kit the other day. I didn't get a chance to open it because I wasn't quite ready yet to open it, but I'm going to open it today. So let's see what's in this beautiful black box. You get a party planner. That's a party planner. And with that party planner, what else I get? I get a paparazzi. Oh, this is like a folder. Let's see. Look like an album. I think this is like when you take pictures of your, well, let me open it first before I think I know what it is. Oh, it's a welcome packet. So I get the welcome packet. Okay, has accessorize. Okay, looks like we got little books here. Accessorize book. And this will tell you what all you're going to be doing with your new business. So I'm going to read up on that. This business is very cool. I like it. I've been through a lot of independent consultants before. So this is much better than what I used to do. And this just shows you how to invite. So basically everything in the books, you can have it on hand, but you also have it on the app too. So make sure I'm able to put this back on there. Oh, hold on. Okay, so that was the welcome packet. So that's a whole book going on there. Let's see what else is in this black box. Ooh, oh my. Oh, this is interesting. Where is my scissors? There we go. Let's open it up. Okay. There we go. I like how they have it. They don't have it really secure, so you won't mess up anything. So let's see what else we have here. I got some bags. You know, I was going to buy all this stuff. It's a good thing I opened this. So these are the accessory bags. So this is where all my bags, all the jewelry is going to go into this bag. That's the accessory bags. Then you have let's get started. I guess these are, yeah, these are like dates when you make home parties. You know, you give them a card, fill out the information. But since it's COVID, we ain't going to nobody's houses. So we'll be doing live on Facebook. So just so you guys know. So this is like future. And thank you cards. So you guys will get a thank you card when you buy from me. Oh, look at this. This is a replacement kit. Isn't that cool? So if the jewelry or anything gets misplaced, or a little charm of the chain or anything, I can put it back together for you. At least I'm gonna try. And I have the display, where you display your jewelry on. That's what this is. You guys get to see the beautiful jewelry that's gonna be here. Like the one I have on now. Alright. I need to get more of those. And of course, these must be the invoices. When you write it out, an invoice. But now everything is on computer because of COVID, so we're not giving nobody anything hand-on. Compensation plan. Okay, this is something more with the packet. And then we have a thing for bling. Oh, that's cute. We have a thing for bling. This is, I'm not quite sure what this is, but they look like they're cards. So I have to look more on that. I think they have to be the number cards of each time before the party. So these are like the party, prepare your host. So you want to prepare your host, but I'm going to be the one that's doing all the parties. So no one's doing anything until COVID is done and done with. Matter of fact, this will let you know to get started with paparazzi. I started off with the $99 kit. So this is what I'm opening up now. I believe this is the receipt book. Yep, the receipt book where you get all the money. Write it out. Let's see what else we have here. The checklist. That's to check everything for as of first call, follow up, everything with the party. Okay. And what's this? Oh, this is cute. See? Paparazzi consultant. Independent consultant. That's me. Okay. And let's see what else. That's it. So that was all that was in there. So I am so super duper excited. I'm going to be doing my first live. Hopefully I could do one tonight. And we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Because we are doing a challenge going on to be on live. And this is my first. I'm not really nervous because I do lives on my YouTube. But I think I'll be nervous once I see people coming in. You know, talking to people and all that good jazz. So I'll be all, oh, what to say next? Oh, look at this, look at this. So, but I think I'm going to be okay. I think I'm going to be alright. Okay, so that was all in the big black box. So I'm thinking this goes, I'll fix it back because it was just so much. It wasn't that much in here, but it's exciting, I tell you. So that's the box. That's the kit. And we lift here. What do we lift in here? Oh my gosh. Guys, y'all not gonna believe what's in here. But guess what? I'm not going to show you because you have to go on my live. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh wow. Ooh. Oh. Very, very nice. I was gonna buy this, y'all, and I think I did. Well, now I'm gonna take it off. But then again, if I wear it, then I know you guys might want to buy it. So maybe I won't do that. Oh my goodness, guys. OMG. These looks like the same ones that... They're exactly the same ones that I was going to purchase. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. The black one is on here, too. Wow. Oh, look at this. It looks like something like this one. But like I said, you guys have to come to my live on Facebook to see all this beautiful jewelry from Paparazzi. So I thank you guys for watching my video, because now I have to get ready to do a live show. So I am excited. I'm going to wear one of these pieces to bring it out. Well, this is the piece I decided to wear for you guys today. This is a nice ensemble necklace right here and here. Just hold on one second. Let me find that so I know exactly what this is called. Hold on 1 minute. Hey everybody. I'm back. So, I was trying to find the name of this set. Unfortunately, I don't have the name of it, but it's like got crackle stone in it, and I love it because it reminds me of the blue sea. See if you can see on here. See, the ring is the same way. See the crackle of it? Isn't that pretty? Very, 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 very pretty. So that's exactly what these looks like up close. And the earrings also match. So this was my first set that I bought for myself because I love this color. I can never find a necklace, earrings, rings to go with this color. It's always not the right color, a little close to the color. But one thing about Paparazzi, you get free earrings, a nice set of earrings to go with these. And I could show you the earrings. Just hold 1 second, okay? All right, so like I was saying, these are the earrings that go with it. See that? There it is, the crackle in it. You see the crackle? It's really pretty. So it goes perfect right with the ring. Put it together. So they both go right together perfectly. And that's why I pick this set. So I hope you guys enjoyed my reveal of the 99-cent kit, starter kit for Paparazzi. So please like and subscribe. Let people know about this channel, and also please comment below. Let me know how you like what I showed you today. And if you want to know more about me, you can try to find me on Facebook. Because I am on Facebook, so you'll be able to I can tell you my website if you're interested in going to my website and shop some accessories. My website is www.paparazzi's accessories, and that would be .com, and my ID is 410788. Okay, I'm going to put it below so you guys can see it yourself, so you can just hit on it and shop. And I forgot to tell you, the jewelry is only $5. $5. And don't forget, you get free earrings every necklace you get free earrings. So you don't have to even go looking for an earring set or find the earrings. So that's one thing about paparazzi. You get the earrings with the necklace. So I hope to see you guys on my live or checking out my website. And bye, please. Just to let you know, this is my business, and I really want to go far in this business. So thanks again, and thanks for watching Diva Butterfly. Bye.